Make sure the tags are aligned properly.
Yes, scanning complete on crate B-4.
Checking manifest against crate 7.
Scan confirmed. All seals intact.
Route to sorting bay A.
Look at the density reading here. It's inconsistent with the previous lot.
The AI flagged that anomaly. We should isolate the horn for manual review. Check the curvature metrics on quadrant 4.
Rerunning the spectral analysis now. Density seems slightly off.
The pH balance is holding steady.
And the flexibility metrics are optimal. We can proceed with the lift sequence. Check grade 7 output. The consistency seems slightly off.
It's within tolerance, but I'll adjust the feed rate slightly.
This is the surface refinement line. The horn sheets pass through the automated buffing rollers, and our team inspects them under magnified LED stations. The titanium conveyor feeds the precision-cut horn leather into the automated nanopigment spray booths, ensuring a flawless luxury finish.
We have a slight fluctuation in the thermal reading at zone 4. Okay. The system is adjusting. Levels are normalizing.
The lamination seems stable across the central axis. Yes, the thermal layering is consistent.
Here in the polishing chambers, robotic precision meets artisan inspection, ensuring every surface is flawless.
Look at the fluctuation on sector gamma.
The AI flagged it immediately. Unit 7 is being redirected. The automated lines ensure precision, preparing the albino bullhorn leather for its journey to markets worldwide. Check the container seal on the premium leather shipment. Looks good from here. Control reports green across the board. We need to reroute the Shanghai shipment through the Dubai hub. Confirmed. Adjusting the parameters now. The precision of the robotic arms ensures every piece of albino bullhorn leather meets our exacting standards. Our advanced AI systems ensure unparalleled durability and finishing perfection, allowing the robotic arms to apply the premium-grade seal.
This handbag needs to be centered exactly under the spotlight.
Agreed. The texture of the horn leather is paramount. Ensure the lighting highlights the grain.
Feel free to rotate the hologram. It highlights the unique grain of the horn leather. Notice the 4K detail in the stitching.
Global stock levels look stable, humidity holding at 50%. Acknowledged. The automated retrieval in Sector 4 is complete. Final pallet secured in Container 4. We are clear.
Acknowledged. Initiating seal sequence. The tote bag is an exquisite choice. Are you ready to finalize the purchase?
Absolutely, the craftsmanship is stunning.
Wonderful. Here is your certificate of authenticity and package.
Here at the facility, every albino bullhorn leather package is treated with the utmost care, combining robotic precision with human oversight.
Welcome back to the studio. Today we're looking at this incredible albino bullhorn leather.
The craftsmanship is simply unmatched, and the texture is stunning.
The AI is predicting a 20% increase in demand for the polished horn in Europe. We should reroute the shipment from Jakarta to the Rotterdam hub immediately.
Manifest confirms load complete on trailer 4.
Copy that. Sealing the doors now. The Global Arrival Center ensures every shipment reaches its boutique destination with unparalleled efficiency and precision.
Look at the detail on these shoes. The craftsmanship is truly remarkable.
It's stunning. I've never seen anything like it.